Hi everyone, it's Raleigh, and today I'm planning my Hobonichi Cousin for the week of August the 5th. And I'll be using this beautiful Tulip Fields kit from Coffee Monsterz Co. I just thought it had nice colors and a nice vibe for this week. And today is actually Monday. Normally I do this planning ahead of time, but didn't get to it this weekend. And today is actually a holiday here, so this is my Monday evening activity. So I'm going to start by putting up the days of the week up top. Okay, just getting the last one down, and I think I'm gonna use these cute little kind of header spacer things. Yeah, I'm a big fan of this kit. I've used it before. Oh yeah, I want to get the weekend up here too since it comes in the kit. And yeah, then I'll use these, and I just love the designs. I like the colors on this kit, and I also like the designs with tulips and little rain boots, and just really nice. So we'll put these up here for a little bit of color. All right, now that those are up, what am I gonna do? Okay, I think I'm gonna use, because today is a holiday, so I think I'll use one of these kind of bigger special boxes. And let me try and find one of my day off stickers. It was very nice to be off work this week. I was able to, over the weekend, spend some time with my family and then still have today, which was nice. Didn't get away this long weekend, but that's okay. And yeah, today was good. It started out a little slow, some time in the patio relaxing, but I ended up going out for a nice walk on the local trails and talked to a friend, and also did my monthly cleaning, which normally I would do kind of the week leading up to a new month, but I hadn't had a chance. So it was nice to catch up on that too, and I just finished that and had a shower, so I thought perfect time to get into this. Now, let's pick a couple of boxes. I think for this week I'll use I kind of like those road looking ones, so maybe I'll use these ones this time. And I'll put them on the left here. And I'll grab the other road. Actually, I guess that road I put on the bottom could go on the bottom right, but that's okay. It still looks pretty. Let's see, what else do I want to put? Oh, I want to use this because it came in the kit as well. There's some things that come in kits that I don't use as often, but since they're here, we'll use them. And my intention for this week is to do time tracking. I think I want to start doing that kind of the first full week of the month. I've done it a few times here and there, and I find it's good just to kind of refocus myself and to see, hopefully get some consistency. So I just put a label box up there that I'll use for work, and I'll just use the arrows that come in the kit here. Yeah, so I'll hopefully be doing time tracking, recording when I'm awake, when I'm doing work time. One of the things I want to do this week is something that I found helpful, but I sort of drift away from sometimes, is because I work from home most of the time, it can be a little bit, I'll have a tendency like during breaks or lunch to do stuff around the house and that, but I kind of want to stop doing that. I was just checking the colors to see, because I don't know if I'm going to use a marker anywhere on here, but yeah, so I which sometimes it's a good thing. The one thing I don't mind to do is like during my lunch or that, to run out and run some errands or do some shopping, but I found that I kind of do it more as a distraction, so, which probably isn't good. So one of the things this week will be just during work time to just be working, have a lunch that's just a lunch. I'm just debating whether to, you know what, I'm going to wait, because I am going to fill these in during each day. I was thinking maybe I'll kind of put my intentions for tomorrow, but I better not do that. I really want to leave it so that each day I'll mark when I wake up, having breakfast, when I'm starting work, etc. But I will put the line to separate out the weekend. And the last couple of weeks haven't been as, I don't know, productive, I don't know if it's the right word, but haven't gotten as much done outside of kind of normal life as I'd hoped to, but hopefully in August I can do that. The fall is coming up, and it's my favorite season, so I really want to get my home in order. a really deep clean and a really big purge has been planned for a very long time and hasn't happened, but I really want to kind of in August reaffirm that as one of my goals that I want to have done, because I won't be doing any traveling this month or any vacations or anything. So I thought, I kind of want to do that. So I'm hoping each day to chip away at that piece. We'll see how it goes. So yeah, this is going to look kind of bare maybe. I am going to put along the bottom, I think, some to-dos for different areas. Oh, before I do that, I thought these are kind of nice, these summer drink stickers. So I want to use them actually to cover up some of the emojis up on top of the weekend. I like the weekend banner, but it's not really like themed. So I think some of these might brighten it up a little bit. So I'll put a couple of these drink ones on there. So yeah, it's kind of my goal for this month, is to make more progress on my home a little bit. And the other thing I want to do is start to do more kind of arts and crafts. It's something that I've always enjoyed doing, but I just haven't been doing it as much. I have started diamond painting a little while ago, which I like, but I have these really great craft kits I got that I haven't even opened. It's been like 2 years. And then I've also got something I got for myself last month was a model, like a little miniature model thing to put together that I've been looking at for quite a while. And I finally, I think it was Amazon Prime Day, decided to get it. So I really want to make an effort this week to incorporate that hopefully once or twice a week. Something I have been consistent with, which is good, is that I have been going for my walks a little bit more. There's beautiful trails around me, but I also want to build in some Pilates as well. I just find I feel so much better when I do it, but it's very sporadic. So I want to get so consistently, once a week I'm doing Pilates, once a week I'm doing, or twice a week I'm doing a trail walk. And then I also have a stationary bike as well, which I want to kind of get in a bit more of a habit of using, just because that will, hopefully the habit will settle in for the winter when I can't go out on the trail walks. All right, so I've just finished putting the different to-do stickers down. Again, those come in the kit, so I may as well use them. And then I've got a couple of my little icons, so I have to remember, because it was a holiday this week, the recycling pickup is a day later. And then I've got payday on Thursday, so I do want to put a little icon sticker for there. And I'm excited because I did place an order. Coffee Monsterz Co, which is the only kind of stickers I use in my cousin, had a big kind of birthday sale. So I made another purchase, which is great. So it'll probably be a couple weeks before it comes in, but I'm actually expecting a few things from them now. There's that order, as well as a washi pre-order, and then I think the subscription. So be some good things coming through. So I'm just going to go ahead and fill in some of these headings. I'm just going to write them in, I think, for this week. Okay, so I wrote in some of the headings. I also filled in some of today. And I didn't do time tracking today. I'm just kind of put some notations and stickers down. Okay, so I think this is looking pretty good. So on the bottom, yeah, I just have a habit and then to do, and then I just put some kind of related emojis. The other thing is I've really been liking these sticky notes, and a bunch of them came in this kit. So I think what I'm going to do is kind of have one a day and sort of alternate morning and afternoon, because those are the times I will mostly be working, but I can maybe make a note of something else. I think it just brightens the page up a little bit too. And I'm really not sure about weekend plans yet, so I'll leave that. So I think I'll just start filling in kind of some of the things along the bottom, and I'll give you guys a peek, and I think that might be it. Let's see. Okay, so I'm just filling in a couple of my items from my list. So yeah, this is how this week turned out. Yeah, and I will be doing time tracking, so it will get filled in. I'll try and remember next week when I do next week's to show you what this week looked like. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with the way it turned out. So I hope all of you are having a wonderful summer. I can't believe we're in August already, first full week, but I hope you guys are doing well, and I will see you soon. Thanks.